Polo. Today I'm my birthday.
From Polo to birthday. Right now we have Hotfrass with the Intense team. Hotfrass, what going on, man?
Yeah, man, I pray.
Father, right now we see you on the whole place, no?
Yeah, man, a full place, man.
Yo, bro, talk to me. Sting. Return of Sting, what was that for you, bro?
Sting mad, man. I will take Sting, then no too. You see me?
See, you're up on Sting like you heard of something still now. You see what I say?
We always ready, man. We don't know if I'm fully set. Stage, you know, you see me?
Full come on, full come on.
Yeah, man.
Ready for what?
Killing machine, man.
So anybody come?
Anybody.
Said speed. So father, I talk about the career right now, you know, since Polo. How has the journey been for you?
Well, if you tell you the truth, the journey tough and the journey good. You see what I say? Because on the good side, we are the music, we love same way, you know what I mean? We are traveling thing, you know what I mean? We are shot video, we are the shows. On the bad side, they might try to go around the thing, you see me? But further down in an interview, man, you hear someone go on, you see?
So you speak of traveling now. So what place you have been, basically?
Canada, Antigua, Cayman. I will go a couple other places right now too in a new area too.
So out of all places to travel, which one of them places are the most memorable for you? Like which show you know say, yo, music?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, man, Canada we hard, man. I mean I fully respond to Canada, man.
Full as in fully bad?
Yeah, fully bad, man. My bro that hear that.
So the travel,
yeah.
All the shows you do so far, which one was the most memorable for you?
Well, would I say Cayman and Canada, but Canada more for me, you see me I say? Canada.
Why Canada?
And we want Canada, you know, man. Just for you go in the airport, just ask about Hotfrass and fully bad, man. And we are MP, we are Prime Minister for Canada, man. You hear that?
So speak.
Yeah, man. And a game, man.
So, Polo take off.
Yeah.
Roll on Hotfrass.
Don't
you get me, I say?
Yeah.
It's a calibration, though.
Yeah, it's a calibration.
And takeover.
Polo shirt, shorts, tight jeans.
So for all the shows in basically you do, you know, over the time space.
Yeah.
Canada are the one where you said take it. Why Canada?
Canada show me a different love, you know what I mean? When me go over Canada and perform, matter of fact, from reaching at the airport, I start get love.
Today I'm